Hi guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. It's actually been a minute since I vlogged because I was so busy filming like real sit-down videos, and they're kind of like, I love filming them, but I feel like you guys like the vlogs more and I like filming the vlogs more just because they're like more fun and more personal. But anyways, welcome back to another weekly vlog. I went shopping yesterday and I got some really cute summer clothes and I wanted to show you guys them. So yeah, very first thing I got, actually I'm gonna try this on for you guys because it's really hard to tell, but it is this super cute little baby doll dress and I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute and it like ties in the front. You guys will see it. I'll show it like after these few clips. It is from Free People and I think it's just like an adorable little summer dress. And the next thing I got is from Urban Outfitters and it's just this plain black dress. Legit, it's just a black dress. I just like this because it was super plain and you could pair with like white high top Converse and there's your outfit. And because I'm super tiny, it goes down to, I want to say below my knee. Yeah, I'm like 5'4", if you guys are like wondering. All of this stuff will be linked down below too. Okay, next thing I got is probably one of my favorite things. I think it's super dope. It is this kind of jersey dress. I think this would just be super cute with another pair of white high top Converse or something like that. But yeah, there's my haul. Okay guys, this is the dress. I love it. I think it's totally summer vibes. I'm out of breath. Yeah, you guys get the gist of it. Super cute. Hello everyone. Today is Mother's Day. Shout out to all the mamas out there. I hope you guys have the best day. I doubt any moms are watching this. Well, besides my mom. I hope you guys have the best day because you guys work harder than anyone and you deserve it. Anyways, today we are taking out my mama for brunch and yeah. Can't even see my hands.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone.
Happy Mother's Day.
They have a Japanese body.
So good. I just got home. I am so full. My voice is like kind of lost. I don't know what's happening. Guys, I got the Becca champagne pop and my highlights actually so buff. I am probably just gonna hang out, maybe edit this. My voice. What I was trying to say, maybe edit this vlog. Probably not. I'm really lazy right now. Oh, I'm gonna watch Riverdale. I just started. Okay, so I started Riverdale like 3 days ago and I finished the whole first season in 3 days. It's a problem, I know. I just bought the second season and I'm like halfway done with it. So I think I'm gonna just finish it and then I'll probably catch up to it because it's on TV right now, I think. But anyways, I'm gonna watch Riverdale. I miss vlogging, it's so much fun. Okay, I'm gonna go watch Riverdale. Peace. Okay, really scared. I was at Sephora yesterday and I got this mask. It looks really cool. I love this brand, it's so dope, and it's a water clay mask. Oh! They give you a little thing to like put it on so you don't have to use your hand. That's cool. How do I do this? I should probably take off my makeup before. Okay, I'm gonna go do that really quick actually. Okay, I look gross again. Change of plans. We're gonna go to my bathroom because this looks really messy. I guess you do that. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I'm gonna do this really quick and I'll show you guys after. So after reading the directions, I'm actually supposed to use this to remove the mask. I'm stupid. Oh my god. Hopefully this gets rid of all my pimples because I have a lot right now. Okay, I'm gonna leave this on for like 10-ish minutes and then I will see you guys to take it off again. This is what it looks like if any of you guys are wondering. Well, so far 10 out of 10. I'll keep you guys updated because I'm a beauty guru now. Says you're just supposed to wipe it off. My face is so soft right now. Oh my gosh. I love that brand. That's like my new favorite brand. I love that. You guys should totally try that mask. I have a nail appointment like right now, but I think I'm gonna go get a coffee really quick and yeah. I am always late and my nails are always disgusting, so but yeah, okay, let's go do that. Paige, your green iced tea. Thank you. Just got my nails done. These are them. They were really looking rough before. First world problems, you know. I don't know exactly what color it was because she took it away, but I know that it was, I want to say it was Essie by Fuji. I got a green iced tea, if you couldn't tell. Oh, I want to show you guys this song. I've literally been obsessed with it. Guys, so good. Okay, I am on my way home and I am gonna go drive over to my boyfriend's house and then go on our double date and all that fun stuff. And you guys will see that in the next clip, so let's go. Hi, Pup. Hi, puppy.
If you want to tell the fans, this is the house in Santa Clarita Diet.
Oh,
Season 2,
yeah.
episode 2.
Guys, Sarah and I are matching.
Oh yeah, we didn't plan this actually. Hi Chip. Chip. He's deaf now.
What?
Did you know? Mm-hmm. Yeah, he's actually deaf. Watch Chipper. Chip. See, he doesn't look because he's deaf. I know, it's so sad.
You told me this. I was calling his name the whole time. Oh my god, that's awful. Aww.
Cute Chipper.
We are gonna go to Gayukaku right now for dinner. And then we're gonna go get ice cream.
I think so, yes.
Yeah.
Sounds good to me.
That's the plan. Everyone, if you haven't met Sarah, I feel like you would have.
I don't know.
Right?
I think I've been in like older vlog / video.
Well, this is Sarah.
What's up, Kat?
I can't believe we're matching.
I know, we're so cute.
Grew.
I've never been light. I'm
on
Salvadorian. I'm not light. I haven't seen the sun.
I forgot to vlog dinner because I'm the world's best vlogger. I love a good hike. Yeah, we're gonna go get ice cream right now and we're going to the place where they like roll the ice cream. Really excited. I think. Ooh, I call shotgun. Don't drop me. Okay.
I hope he drops you.
Kayla, what are you
Who do you think I am?
You know what I really want?
What do you really want?
Press freeze. I want it so bad. Oh, babe, you're not even... So I'm editing my vlog right now and I just realized that I never ended it or filmed an outro. So here I am. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, please. And oh, turn on your post notifications. Do it. Just do it. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.